Urban Acres, and today we are going to be making paneer. Paneer is a very, very simple cheese to make, and it only uses 2 ingredients. You're going to need lemon juice and milk, and you can use cow milk or goat milk, but today we have, it doesn't have to be raw, but we are using raw goat's milk, and this is 1 gallon of milk. And I'm putting it on a slow temperature, and I'm gonna let it boil until it gets to a roiling boil. Okay, so we are back, and our milk is now at a roiling boil, and you are going to add lemon juice where it's boiling the most. And you're going to keep on adding lemon juice until you see the whey separate. So as you can see, it hasn't separated yet. It is separating. It hasn't fully separated. So you're going to keep on adding it slowly until it's done separating. So it is, yeah, and you can lower your temperature, and now you can see now there is a lot of whey, and then you can see that cheese curds. Yes. Careful. Yeah, it can splatter. Lower your temperature. But I think this is enough. Maybe you can add a little bit more, but this is good.
Now we're going to take it off the gas and leave it in here for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to strain it in a cheesecloth and put some weight on it. We'll show you that in a few minutes.
Okay, so our cheese has set for 5 minutes now, and you can see how it has clumped up. You can see how it's kind of clumped up in little balls, and you can see the whey. And then we have a bowl to catch the whey, and then a colander and a cloth. You can use any cloth. You can use a cheesecloth. You can use anything. So we'll pour it in now.
Here, I'm going to do it slowly. It's heavy.
Will fill up. Yeah, our bowl is full, so we're gonna have to empty that. So we'll put this. Okay, so our whey bowl did fill up, so we poured the whey out, and we're gonna add the rest of our cheese curds in there, and now we're gonna fold the towel on it, the cloth. And then you're gonna let it strain. For how long?
We're going to actually let it, like you see, I'm straining the water out, and then I'm going to put some heavy weight on it, for maybe 30 minutes, and then it's ready. So I'll show you how. Can you hold it right here? I'll hold it.
How it turns out. So we have a stone mortar pistol that we're putting on it to let it strain for 30 minutes. So as you can see, this is the setup. We put the mortar pistol for the weights. You can use anything that's heavy. And we got our colander and our bowl to catch the whey. Okay, so you can throw away your whey. You can just do this. You can just put a colander right in the sink and pour your cheese in there, and it can go right down the drain. But we save our whey. That way you can put in your plants, and it helps attract worms and good stuff, and it'll make your plants really thrive. So I just took off my weight, and we're gonna take out our cheese. We're gonna put it down, and we're gonna open it up. Definitely has formed the shape of the cloth. And it's holding together really well. Look how beautiful that is. Set that down, put that away. And as you can see, we got our extra away. We'll save that for the plants. Let's cut our cheese. That's beautiful. Yeah. So this was really good. We want to make sure, like, we have a really heavy weight, and it really helped, and it made this perfect. So it really gave it a good shape, and it really made sure it was compact, because you know it can get really crumbly. So yeah. And you can actually take this, and you don't have to use so much weight, and you can crumble it, and you can put it stuffed breads and paratas and stuff like that, or you can leave it like this and cut it up into cubes and make a dish like curries and stuff. And a very common one is called Paneer tikka masala, which we will make a video on that, on how to make. And so yeah, I really hope you enjoy this cheese, and I hope you give it a try. And you can also take this and just pan fry it, and you can put like Szechuan seasoning, or you can grill it, but there's many things you can do with paneer, and I hope we can share some of those recipes with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a good day.